Good morning, my love. I'm so excited for you to be here. Okay, all who don't know me, I am Sierra Grace. I'm the credit coach here at Credit Remedy, and it is an honor to be with this lovely young lady who is thriving and shining. All right, so I'm gonna introduce her as Miss Sophia, but let her introduce herself. Tell us first name, last name if you want to, and what you do.
I am Sophia Stevens, and I am a registered medical assistant.
Okay.
And yeah,
And period. Future business owner,
yes,
all
future
that.
business owner. I almost left that out. My bad.
No.
um, I have Angel Manicure. That is my business. Trying to go ahead and get it established right now. I'm working on that. That is a top priority this year. And thanks to Credit Remedy, they working it out for me to get me on the right path.
Okay now. All right. So, oh Lord, now people calling the phone. It is what it is. So I'm gonna ask you a couple of questions. If you want to skip a question, just let me know. No pressure here. This is literally family talking. So my first question is, what was life like before you joined Credit Remedies program?
Well, it was bittersweet. I was just trying to get my credit under control. I had um I had ups and downs, how we normally do. Daily things that you go through as far as bills and bill collectors and trying
Mhm.
to figure out how to get it right. And when I linked up with you all, Credit Remedy, I was able to get my credit scores climbing back up because I followed the process of everything that was told to me to do. So that being said, I had already had my home, so but that was a struggle. But then I wound up getting got engaged, and got married, and all that good stuff. And when I went through that, my credit scores actually started going down.
Okay.
And yeah, so you gave me the right avenue of what to do to get it to come back up.
Period. I remember how you first was so happy. Well, we're gonna talk about that anyway. So, what problems were you trying to solve? I know you said the scores was going down, so I guess our main objective was get to the 700. Point blank in the period, by any means necessary.
Yes.
Okay. What were you struggling with the most before joining? Was it collections? Was it just seeing the score rise and we didn't know how? What was the most like struggle in that point?
The struggle was not understanding credit, period, because I had no
Okay.
idea. I thought, cash, 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 paying this, paying for that, that was going to get me right because I always pay cash for my stuff. So
Mhm.
until I purchased my home. But I thought, I didn't know about credit. I wasn't educated until, that special someone came into my life for real, for real.
I'm telling you, it's not even in high school. It's not even in
you
college.
know,
There's
uh,
that's there. So don't feel any type of way about it. Cause I promise you, if I haven't got a book or paid a mentor, I'm in the same boat. I had no idea what it
And
was.
I thank you for breaking this generation curse because, like I said, I had no idea. I wasn't taught that you do need credit, but on the same, I better put these back on. that you do,
That's how
that
you
you
know.
that you do need credit because the credit is what really gets you. Um, that's what pay for everything. You can hold on to your
Mhm.
money for the other things, but at the same time, I was just paying cash and that wasn't helping my credit at all because I had no background showing them how to build my credit without using that cash. So now
I
I can
love
hold on
it.
to my cash a little longer.
Mhm. Put it in that real investment. You see,
Yes.
I love that. See, I love that. Okay. So, how long had it been when you were trying to solve your problems like credit? Were you in my program? How long did you see like an adjustment?
Oh my God, it was like almost instant. It was like
Okay.
because I was following everything that you were telling me to do. Like you were telling me, and now I'm an advocate. I'm like, yeah, y'all better get with Credit Remedy because I'm telling you, it's the truth. It works, and I only talk about things that really do work. And this system actually works because at the end of the day,
Refrigerator.
I seen my numbers go from like, I think when I first started with y'all, it was like four something way back, but then it went up and then it went down because I got, divorced or whatever. So it took my scores back down. But now I'm rebuilding my credit and I'm almost in the 700s
Let's
again.
go.
So I'm over here like, what? So yeah, you might get off, like they say, you get off, you might fall down, but you dust yourself back off and try again. Don't give up on yourself
Nervous.
because with you guys, y'all make sure y'all give us the tools that we were not taught on what to do. And it's just a simple thing. As long as you following every step by step, I've learned that it's going to happen. And don't beat yourself up if you do fall down. If you fall down, then get
Mhm.
back up and do it again. It's not that hard.
What a
And
testimony.
yeah, it's not that hard. I mean, yeah, I've been through the ups, the downs, the roller coasters, the ins and outs, but look at me now.
I mean, look at